Welcome you all. Today we are here with another phrasal verb, and that is act for. Act for, which means to be employed to deal with somebody's affairs for them. Or we could say someone who works on behalf of the other person. इसको हम उर्दू में किसी के लिए अमल करना या किसी के लिए काम करना कह सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like the vice principal acts for the principal in his absence. So we have used here acts for. It means to say vice principal, he works on behalf of principal in his absence. My son acts for me in my business affairs. It means to say son deals with the business affairs on behalf of his father. So this is how we are going to use this phrasal verb act for.